How to renovate tiles. In brief, tiles are easier to renovate than remove. See more in the video. If you're inspired by the ideas for interior from the video, you can purchase the furniture and accessories you liked from the links below. Sometimes people don't want to buy or rent an apartment if they don't like the tile in it. It may look as if there are only two ways to fix it: do the tiling anew or put up with the old one. But there are other ways out. The most popular solution is to paint the tile. This option is believed to be a budget renovation, which can usually be found in pub toilets and cheap apartments for rent. But that's not the case. If you paint the tile correctly, it will look fresh and modern. Step 1. Preparing the tiles. To achieve a good result, you should prepare a tile. Thoroughly clean it with an anti-fungal agent. Use an anti-lime scale cleanser. If the tile is very glossy or too dirty, process it with sandpaper. Step 2. Painting the tiles. Don't use a brush to apply paint, but do it with a sponge roller instead. It will leave no traces. Usually, you can buy ready-made tile paints. If you fail to find a suitable color, you can use a common emulsion paint mixed with pigment. Cover the painted tile with a waterproof compound. Use a tile joint marker. It will make the tile look new. Since tiles usually start wearing off from the edges, by painting the wall solid color you will make it more durable. It's a common view that tiles should be glossy and shiny. However, matted surface looks very fashionable. To transform identical boring squares, use multicolored grout for joints. They come in different colors, from pastel to metallic. Use a scraper to remove old grout and apply new one. Step 3. Decorate the tiles with stickers. Many people tend to think that tile stickers are tasteless. However, you can find rather fashionable ones if you search well. If you want to decorate a limited surface, apply stickers on each tile. Or use a border sticker for a larger area. Separate tiles randomly decorated with stickers also look good. You can shake up monochrome tiles with a few stickers. If the tile is done well but looks boring, for example due to its pure white color, you can use a contrasting sticker. It will be an interesting solution for a room where the walls aren't usually decorated. Affordable stone imitating stickers will decorate simple tiles and make it look like concrete or mosaic setting. Step 4. If you didn't like the painting. If you don't like the result, you can simply cover the old tile with a new one. However, it will only work out if the old tile is clean and takes a good hold on the wall. This option is suitable if you don't feel like removing the tile and doing all the work from scratch. Thanks for watching. Check out other videos with the ideas for interior and click the bell button to stay in touch. You will find the links to the furniture and accessories you liked below the video. Embrace the changes.